Alright, real quick, this video is sponsored by Sierra Treasure. Sierra Treasure is where I get my knob cones. This is how I'm able to create amazing quality pendants because I get them from Sierra Treasure. If you don't have access to any knob cones or regular pine cones for that matter, go get them from Sierra Treasure. Sierra Treasure has the best quality knob cones. It's from California. California is known for the hot spot of knob cones. Be sure to go get them from the best place that grows knob cones, which is in Cali. So, if you need any knob cones, go get them at Sierra Treasure. Thank you. Hey, what's up guys? It's your girl Ben, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a trippy pinecone pendant. You might be wondering, what do you mean by a trippy pinecone pendant? Well, see this heart pendant right here? It's open up, has that cool texture, bluish color in the middle, as well as some yellow and green, has some colorful resin on the side, and that cool background. This is not the trippy part. This is the trippy part. What it looks like from the back. I came up with this after I had someone reach out to my Instagram. This person messaged me because their knob cones accidentally open up due to the heat. One thing you should know is that once your knob cones open up, even just a little bit, that's it. There's no going back. You can't just add water and expect it to close like a regular pine cone. Knob cones doesn't work that way. I cannot stress this part enough. Once your knob cones opens up, that's it. There's no going back. You done diggity fucked up, and you now need to go buy some more knob cones. Best place to get some more knob cones is at Sierra Treasure. The link will be in the description to grab some knob cones from Sierra Treasure. When I start showing you how to make this trippy pendant, you'll see what the cones look like opened up. They look like a regular pine cone, and I swear, it's knob cones, not pine cones, not the shit you can see outside unless you live in Cali. I think you get what I'm trying to say. These are knob cones, okay? Once they open, they cannot close up. So when this one girl told me, I felt bad. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to exchange your knob cones in that condition. No charge, no strings attached, no nothing. Because I want each and every single one of you to come up with an amazing pinecone pendant with Mother Nature's cones. So when I got the opened up knob cones, it wasn't long until I came up with this trippy pendant idea. So this is how you can make your own trippy pinecone pendant. If at any point you need any help at all, big or small, feel free to reach out to my Instagram at bmachado13 and I'll respond to you as soon as possible. If you want me to make you a trippy pinecone pendant or any type of pinecone pendant in general, message me there. Feel free to reach out. Got these 3 items from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm just gonna mix it up with silicone, put it in here, and go from there. From this point on, I highly advise you to put on some neon pigment inside of your resin so you can have that cool trippy effect when you light it up in UV light. Is when psychedelics were kicking into my body and letting me see things that reality doesn't want you to see, or the government or who the fuck knows doesn't want you to see. Let's just say I saw some interesting stuff with these trippy pine cones. Like, I can't stress this part enough. I'm calling it trippy for a fucking reason. Let the psychedelics talk. Please let them do all the talking because I saw some very fascinating stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna wrap this up now because this really didn't do anything at all, as well as this one. I just added some tape, put more saran wrap all over all the other ones. This one was the one that you just saw.
I really wish I didn't make that color. Or at least, you know, pour it all over this pine cone right here.
I just unwrapped all of this. I tried my best. Some looks better than others. It's all the trash. For those wondering, this is what it looks like under UV light. Okay, now we're talking. Now we're getting somewhere. Okay, and we're just at the crack of the whole negative, this whole crack thing. Okay. First try, first pendant, first impression. I am not mad at it. I'm not. This will probably be a really cool Christmas ornament. Or honestly, you can wear this as a pendant. It's thick enough for it. I'm really happy with this. This is how it all turned out. Some of them are very dusty, but for the most part, you can see that amazing, beautiful, sexy. Did I just say sexy? Yeah, I just said sexy texture. So.
It's very slippery.
I feel like I could slice this part up. Be right back. There we go. That's much better. Rather than just seeing it away.